Hello. Are you standing by yourself? Oh, no hands. Look at Kaylin. Look at Kaylin. No hands. Who's that baby in the mirror? You want to give yourself a kiss? Give yourself a kiss. Kiss. Oh, what's that in your hair? Did you find your barrette? There it is. You got your barrette out. Successful again. It's not for eating though, sweetie. It's for your hair. Can you put it back in your hair? Can you put it back in your hair? That's better. Are you pushing your stroller? Come on. You're such a good walker. This way. Good job, Kaylin. You are such a good little walker. Oh, bye-bye. Oh, jump! More? You want more? Jump! 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 More? You want more? Jump! 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 More? Jump! More? Jump! That's all, no more. Can you stand? You're standing. Can you stand again? No hands? Let go. Put your hands in the air. Can you put your hands in the air? Now you eat a Cheerio. That was Mika. You fed the Cheerio to Mika. What's that? Are those chocolates? You gonna stand by yourself? Careful! Are you standing by? Do you see the big bear? Are you crawling to the bear? Are you going to check out a book from the library? Which book do you want to check out? Oh, that looks like a big one. That looks like a big one. Where are you going?